Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. I always come in with a bomb like all the time. So today is my sister's graduation, and I just want to do something quick and easy in her hair. Her hair is a 4C hair, it's very short, extra short. So, and I'm not good with short hair and stuff, so I have to try and see what I can get done in her hair because I want her to look beautiful on her day. So today I will be doing a combination of makeup and hair. So I'll be combing her hair, be doing some cornrows and stuff. I'll be adding some extension and stuff. So I will be combing her hair as well as giving her a little tweak, changing the look for her graduation. Girl is getting big, so why not? Yay. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected. If you have not yet subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe now. Leave a comment, share the videos, and turn on that notification bell so that you can receive every updates whenever I post a video. Without further ado, let us get right into this video. So the braid that I will be using today is the Ya Man Afro Kinky braid. For those that are familiar with this braid, it has a 4C texture, so I will be using it to blend with her natural hair. So what type of hairstyle that I will be doing today? I will be doing a lemon braid hairstyle using this Ya Man braid. I will not be using too much because I don't want it to look outrageous. I just want it to look calm and natural. So I'll be using a small portion of the Ya Man braid, and as I go along, guys, you will see how I get this thing done. I will be doing a few partitions and stuff. You will see the pattern and stuff as I go through this process, so please stay tuned, stay connected while I unfold this beautiful look.